to n summation dx dy minus summation dx into summation dy under root n summation dx square minus summation dx whole square n summation dy square minus summation dy whole square, where dx is deviation from assumed mean A and dy is deviation of y variable from assumed mean B. A is assumed mean from A series and B is assumed mean from B series. And correlation is the relationship between two or more than two variables is called correlation. Now x series given, now x and y series are given. X is 10, 12, 18, 16, 15, 19, 18 and 17, and y series is given as 30, 35, 45, 44, 42, 48, 47 and 46. Take any number from x series as assumed mean. Let it be 16 as A and 42 as B, means assumed mean from y series. 16 is assumed mean from x series and let 42 be a assumed mean from y series. Now first we have to find dx. dx is x minus A, right? 10 minus 16, 12 minus 16, 18 minus 16, 10 minus 16 minus 6, 12 minus 16 minus 4, 18 minus 16 plus 2, 16 minus 16 0, 15 minus 16 minus 1, 19 minus 16 plus 3 plus 2 and plus 1. Then calculate dx square. dx square means squaring these numbers. 6 into 6 36, 4 into 4 16, 2 into 2 4, 0 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, 3 into 3 9, 2 into 2 4 and 1 into 1 1. Now calculate dy, deviation of y series from B, from assumed mean 42. 30 minus 42 minus 12, 35 minus 42 minus 7, 45 minus 42 plus 3, then 44 minus 42 plus 2, 42 minus 42 0, 48 minus 42 plus 6 plus 47 minus 42 5, 46 minus 42 plus 4. Then calculate dy square. dy square, squaring these numbers. 12 into 12 144, 7 into 7 49, 3 into 3 9, 4 0, 6 into 6 36, 5 into 5 25, 4 into 4 16. Then calculate dx dy. dx dy means this into this. Minus 6 into plus 12, minus 12 72, 4 into 7 28, 2 into 3 6, 0 into 2 0, minus 1 into 0 0, 3 into 6 18, 2 into 5 10, 1 into 4 4. Now add all these columns. Then we get summation x equals to 125. By adding y series we get summation y equals to 337. Then by adding dx, summation dx equals to -3. Clear? Then dx square, summation dx square equals to 71. Then by adding dy, summation dy equals to 1. Summation dy equals to 1. Then dy square, summation dy square equals to 283. And by adding dx dy, values of dx dy, we get summation dx dy comes out to be 138. Clear? Now calculate mean of x and y series. Mean of x is x bar summation x by n equals to summation x is 125, n is 8. 125 divided by 8, which equals to 15.62. And mean of y series, summation y by n. Summation y is 337. 337 by 8 equals to 42.12. Clear? By putting all these values in correlation formula, in this formula, we get R equals to n equals to 8, n into 138 minus 3 1 under root 8 into 71 minus 3 square under root 8 into 283 minus 1 square, as dy is 1. By calculating all these values, we get 1107 divided by 559 and under root 2263, which is equals to 1107 divided by taking under root of 559 is, and 2263 is 126507 under root, which is 1124.72. Therefore R value, means Karl Pearson coefficient value, comes out to be 0.98 by calculating all this by calculator. Plus 0.98 means positive high correlation by Karl Pearson coefficient method. Therefore Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation for given series is 0.98. Clear? Is 0.98. X and y values are given. Find dx, then dx square. Find dy, then dy square, then dx dy. Calculate mean of x series, mean of y series. Now applying Karl Pearson method. Okay.